Hello friends, it's Danny here, and it's day 10 of my Tag-A-Day November 2024. Let's see what I created today and what I created with. In the description box below, there are links to everything that I used that I could still find. I pulled out this Baking Anya set from the Greeting Farm. She's so cute and all the fun little accessories. I pulled out the Scrappy Boy Stamps Stitch Circle Nesting Die. I love the Scrappy Boy Stamps basic dies. They have circles and rectangles and like stitched, like scalloped rectangles, just so many, but they are such a great value and you get so many layers. For my tag, I used the Cat Scrappiness Stitched Scalloped Nesting Tags. I have already used these this year, but I love them so much. I love the little scallop and then that they have the hole already in them. So I use those. I did pull out my Cat Scrappiness A2 stitched strips, and you can see I keep the extras there. Since strips are kind of popular right now and I've been using them more, I love this set. It has so many, it has what, 2, 3, 4 different sizes, and I love the stitch detail. Really like that. And then I pulled out the Cartabella Roll With It paper pad. It's a super fun paper pad. Some fun colors, fun patterns. Really cool, especially for those like baking themed cards or tags. And then I have this out. I worked on this tag way longer than I cared to admit because I was trying my hardest to use this die set from Scrappy Boy Stamps. It is the Memory Decks Essentials die set. And you can see I tried different colors and stuff. It creates, like, there's a mixer, there's bread and butter, there's a balloon, there's a tomato, there's a pie, there's an apron, there's little cooking utensils. Like I said, I worked so hard to try to incorporate this because I thought it would work perfectly with that baking theme. In the end, I ended up not using any of them because I just couldn't get the layout to work and stuff. But I do love this die set. It is so cool for those baking, cooking themed, or just regular themed because it has like these tab dies and these hearts. Great die set. I just couldn't make it work on this tag. And here is my tag. I did make her on a larger one because I wanted to fit things in. Like I said, I probably worked on this tag way longer than I should have. Sometimes the ideas flow and sometimes they don't. A lot of tags I have a vision in my head before I even start them. This one I did not, so I think that's part of the problem. But in the end, I do think it turned out adorable. I love her little cupcake earrings. Aren't they adorable? She's mixing up some yummies, and it's baked with love. And then I used some of those little stamps that were included in that stamp set, like the flour bag, the eggs, the sugar, and the butter, because I thought those were all ingredients that typically go into a baked item. I love how it turned out, but man, it was a process. Like I said, I really wanted to try to use those other dies, but it just didn't flow, and I didn't like it. Do you ever have days like that when you go to create something and you just work it and work it and work it? I did kind of have to set it down and walk away for a little bit, and then I came back and I was like, oh, this will work. So that would be my advice. If you're struggling with something, just set it aside, walk away, and come back and look at it with fresh eyes. So there is my tag for day 10. I will see you back here actually in a few hours because I am participating in the Not Too Shabby November Hop, sharing all the subscriptions and stuff. So I'll be back for that, and then I'll be back tomorrow with another tag, and tomorrow's also Inky Paws Challenge Inspiration Day. So lots of fun things coming up. Thanks so much for stopping by, and until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye!